Today we're checking out the MRA SPM Sport Windshield for the Honda Africa Twin. This is for the CRF1100 models, and if you're serious about touring or you just want a smoother ride in general, this is something that you're going to notice immediately. Now what's great about this SPM model is that it's more than just a replacement screen. This is actually engineered to make your ride more comfortable and more controlled, especially when you're going on longer rides or at higher speeds in general. Now the screen itself measures in at 15.2 inches, and it's going to give you great coverage and great deflecting of wind away from your head. That means less buffeting, less wind noise, and noticeably less fatigue, especially on longer trips. Now this is designed to improve your aerodynamics as well, so your Africa Twin still feels agile and responsive while you cruise or go off-roading as well. Now the installation is going to be really simple on this thanks to the bolt-on design. Everything you need is included in the kit as well, so you get your mounting hardware, instructions, and if you want, you can even add the optional edge protection for a more finished look as well. Now the screen itself is made from MRA special PMMA thermoplastic, which is a German engineered material that's really tough and is chemically resistant as well. So even if it does actually break, this is designed to fail with blunt edges, so it's a smart touch. Visually, this is clean, it's functional, there's no distortion or weird focal points at all that's going to mess with your gauges or anything like that. And this is available in clear, smoked gray, or black, so you can match your style while keeping that touring comfort as well. Overall, this windshield is all about enhancing your ride with less wind noise, more comfort, and not sacrificing style or control. For anyone that spends time on their Africa Twin, this is truly a small upgrade, but adds a real significant difference to the ride. My name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions for us, give us a call, 786-242-5400. And if you're interested in this windshield, you can find this at accessoryinternational.com. Again, if you found any value out of this video today, give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you next time.